Today, we will talk about how to earn 6 figures in 6 months on Airbnb without owning properties. Let's have a look at the details. According to online data, Airbnb business owners can make close to $100,000 per year, if not more, without owning any properties. We've compiled some ideas on how to make money on Airbnb without acquiring a property. Number 1. Take the Airbnb rental arbitrage route. Before you start with this strategy, you will need to consider legal rules and regulations, as some cities do not allow subletting. Moreover, you should obtain permission from the landlord before you attempt to rent out your rented accommodation. In many cases, long-term rental lease agreements do not allow tenants to rent out properties on listing sites. If a tenant violates the agreement, they run the risk of being evicted. However, if both parties have agreed, rental arbitrage can be a great option to enter the industry. Number 2. Become a short-term rental property manager. To become a short-term rental manager, you will first need to understand the legal requirements of your state. For example, some states will require a real estate broker's license and/or a property manager's license, while other states might not require any qualification whatsoever. That being said, it is better to continue your education in property management even if it is not a requirement, as this will help you to set yourself apart from your competition. Number 3. Become a co-host to an Airbnb host. Co-hosts perform similar duties to short-term rental managers. The major difference is that they will act more like an assistant to a host than a manager. If you are still new to this industry, co-hosting is a good place to start. Co-hosts earn about 10 to 20% per booking. Number 4. Join a vacation rental franchise. If you do not want to start from scratch, another way to make money on Airbnb is to join a vacation rental franchise. In exchange for paying a fee, local property managers can get a special license from an existing franchise owner to use their resources and sell services under their brand name. Number 5. Become an Airbnb consultant. If you already have some experience in managing Airbnb rentals and would like to help other entrepreneurs grow, you can consider becoming an Airbnb consultant. In addition to being experienced in running short-term rentals, you will need to have marketing skills to build your personal brand. On average, an Airbnb consultant can make about $83,000 to $90,000 per year in the United States. Number 6. Start an Airbnb cleaning service. Starting an Airbnb cleaning service can be a profitable business, as it is typically the first task that hosts will outsource. This means that you will have no shortage of work. Number 7. Host an Airbnb experience. Hosting an Airbnb experience is one of the most creative ways of making money without renting out any property. By joining the program, you can offer a wide range of activities that guests can book during their stays, such as a traditional guided tour, cooking class, or art class. Number 8. Become a professional Airbnb photographer. Becoming an Airbnb photographer is another creative way to earn your bread and butter with Airbnb. Number 9. Become an Airbnb copywriter. Offering copywriting services is another non-trivial way to generate profit without renting out an Airbnb property. Copywriting services are becoming more popular among Airbnb hosts. According to online data, an Airbnb copywriter earns about $90,000 per year on average. Number 10. Learn the craft of vacation rental marketing. To be ahead of the competition, it's necessary for hosts to market properties. It's getting even more crucial if they generate direct bookings and need to attract potential travelers to their website. If you already have marketing skills and are eager to enter the industry, it's an excellent avenue for you to apply them. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.